Okay, the conjugate of this number is square root x plus 1 minus square root x. We multiply by it into two terms. So like this here, and 3 also. We multiply it by square root x plus 1 minus square root x. This side is the special product, which is square root x plus 1 squared minus square root x squared equals, and this is 3 square root x plus 1 minus square root x. Okay, we have this obviously equals to x plus 1 minus x equals 3 square root x plus 1 minus square root x, and those two terms are opposite, so we will have here 1. X plus minus x is 0, so we get 1 equals 3 square root x plus 1 minus square root x, and finally we have square root x plus 1 minus square root x equals 1/3. If we call the first equation 1 and the second equation 2, we will sum 1 and 2. So by summing 1 and 2 term to term, term to term, we have so this term plus this one, the root square x will disappear with minus square root x, and those two will give us 2 square root x plus 1 equals 3, the other term, plus 1/3. And here we have 2 square root x plus 1 equals 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. By dividing by 2, we get x plus 1 equals 10 over 6, which is 5/3. And by squaring, we have square root x plus 1 squared equals 5/3 squared. Now this one obviously is x plus 1, which is equal to 25 by 9. And finally, x is equal to 25 by 9 minus 1, which is 25 minus 9 by 9, which is, of course, 16. So the solution is x equals 16 by 9. This is the very solution of our equation. This is a very good idea, very powerful idea. Whenever you see root squares, you may think about using conjugate. In limits, in equations, there are a lot of occasions. Even me, I have struggled with those kind of situations before. I knew that always think about conjugate. It helps. In a lot of cases, it helps to get beautiful solutions. Here you see, we didn't use squaring. We can solve this exercise just by squaring the two terms. And if you like, I can make another video about it. But this is, I think, transforming to a linear equation like this, getting rid of one of the root squares is more beautiful.